Welcome to Busselton, or at least I think it should be welcome to Busselton. I visit the Busselton Jetty and find out why I should have planned ahead. Busselton sunrise and sunsets might be the best that we'll ever see. Hello world, mates, wives, friends, family.
Click the next left onto Earnshaw Road, then turn left. Take the second left, then your destination will be on the right.
We're about to be surprised by two things. We're driving in, someone had parked their scooter in the caravan park bay. And we're about to find out this was the getaway vehicle. The second issue was, a guy came out, got on his scooter, spun it around and took off across our park. Then the park manager comes flying out the door behind him, flat out trying to catch him.
Oh, he done something.
We just got footage of a man presumed who'd robbed the caravan park office of cash and was making a quick getaway on what was presumed to be a stolen scooter. And yes, this information was handed over to the authorities. Busselton, located on the Western Australia west coast, and it is about 2.5 hours south of Perth. With a northerly facing ocean view, you can see spectacular winter sunrises and sunsets. Driving around, we notice one thing above all else, and it is the quantity of trees and shrubs lining all the streets. Around every corner and turn we are faced with shades of greenery that blends into the surrounding national park that we have visited. The region was visited by various explorers, beginning with the Dutch who rounded the Cape in 1622, naming the land mass Leeuwen's Land. The French rounded the coast in 1801. They named Hamelin Bay, Cape Naturalist and other locations as seen in episode 20. One of their sailors, Thomas Vass, was lost overboard and the area became known as the Vass. John Busselton found flat green fields that remind him of England. He moved to the Vass in 1834, and in June 1847 the Vass settlement was gazetted as Busselton. The Busselton Jetty was destroyed by Cyclone Alby in 1978 as it hurtled past the southeast corner of Australia. In the late 80s, the money that was allocated for the demolition of the jetty was reallocated for the repairs, and in 2011 a full refurbishment was complete. In 2003, the 3-storey underwater observatory was installed. And around the observatory, in 2023, they installed an underwater sculpture park as an artificial reef. 13 marine sculptures made from a variety of materials made by 12 local Western Australia artists. Here's a hot tip. If you're going to Busselton, you really need to go and have a look at the underwater observatory on the Busselton Jetty. My problem was that I hadn't booked ahead and I missed out on this opportunity, and I will forever regret it. In 2017, an electric jetty train was launched.
Welcome to Busselton Jetty.
Busselton Jetty was built, the longest timber pile jetty in the southern hemisphere. It is still only 9 meters deep at the end of the jetty.
The train ride takes you to the underwater observatory entry. The remaining couple of 100 metres or so is just a short stroll to the end, where you can find how far it is to Paris.
Joke of the day. A man and a woman were travelling in a train. Woman, every time you smile, I feel like inviting you to my place. Man, whoa, Are you single? Woman. No, I'm a dentist. Really? What do you call a cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese. Nacho cheese. Not your cheese. Get it? Oh dear. I like that one.
That's all from her.
That's all from him. That's all from both of us. Yeah, it's hard.